www.gibsontruckworld.com 2005 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT Crew Cab Cummins Diesel 4-wheel drive with 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. CARFAX 1 owner and only 32K miles. Do not make a $3K plus mistake. Before you buy a used truck, demand to see shop bills and have the truck inspected by a third party. Riding on $1,000 of 4 brand new tires, $600 folding tonneau cover, power seating, CD player, premium infinity sound, tilt steering, cruise control, Nerf bars, keyless entry, alarm, bed liner, towing package, power windows, power mirrors and power door locks. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the United States, 12 months free maintenance, $1,000 value. From our 23-bay service department and our exclusive 15-day return policy. It